Hello guys and welcome to Salesforce Drillers. In the previous video we have seen how we can delete branches in Git. So if you guys want then you can refer to the previous video and have a look on the practical overview for knowing how we can delete branches in Git. Now in this video we will learn about Git tag. So guys, a tag in Git is used for marking a specific version in the code base, or I can say it is used for freezing a code base, means no new changes can be pushed to a tag. So guys, both branches and tags are essentially pointers to the commit, but the big difference is that commit in a branch points to a changes as we add new commits, and tag is frozen to a particular commit to mark a point in time as having a certain significance. So you guys can refer to the documentation in Salesforce Drillers website, as it is shown very nicely and briefly along with all the commands and screenshots. So let us have a practical overview. So this is our remote system repository and this is our local system repository. So let us check first of all whether there is a tag or not. So we can execute the command that says git tag -l. So right now we are not having any tag in our repository. So let us create a tag. For creating a tag, there is a command which says git tag -a, then tag name and -m message for the tag name. So let us try that particular command. Is git tag -a. So let us mention a tag name as drillers -0.1 and -m which says message. So new tag. So I'll press enter. So our tag is now created. Now let us execute again the command git tag -l for listing down the existing tags. So yes, drillers -101 has been listed down, but this tag is created in the local system repository. If I show in the remote system repository in tags, so nothing is there. So you can just click on the drop down over here and can select the tags from here. So right now as you can see, nothing is here. So let us push this tag to the remote system repository. So let us push. It says git push origin, then the tag name, that is drillers -0.1. So let us press enter. So it is starting pushing our tag to the remote system repository. So let us refresh our remote system repository and have a look. So let's click on the drop box and select tags. So as you can see, a tag has been listed down here that says drillers -0.1. So that is how we can create a tag and push a tag in the Git. So what is a tag? A tag in Git is used for marking a specific version, or I can say is used for freezing a code base, and no new changes can be pushed to a tag. And both branches and tag are essentially pointers to commits, but the basic difference is that commit in a branch points to a change as we add new commit, and tag is frozen to a particular commit to mark a point in time as having a certain significance. So that is how we can create a tag and push a tag to the remote system repository. Now let us have a look how we can delete a tag from remote system repository. So let us have a look. Let us again execute git tag -l. So here it is. Now let us delete this tag. So the command is git tag -d, then tag name, that is drillers -0.1, then we press enter. So similarly like branch, as we deleted in branch, so this tag is now deleted from the local system repository, not from the remote one. As you can see, it is still here. So let me just refresh. Let me just show you the tags. So here it is still here. So let us delete it from the remote system repository. So the command is git push origin reference tags, then the tag name, that is drillers hyphen 0.1, that is the tag name. Now if I will press enter, so this tag will be deleted from the remote system repository. So let us refresh the remote system repository and have a look. Click on tags. So yes, as we can see, nothing to show, which means that the tag has been now deleted from the remote system repository. So that is how we can create and delete tags in Git. So what is a tag? A tag is used for marking a specific version, or I can say in common words, is used for freezing the code base, and no new changes can be pushed in a tag. So that is all about Git tag. In our next video, we will learn about Git stash.